Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we have brought to you mock test number 2 on agriculture extension. In this series, we'll try to come up with more and more subject-wise test series, so the mock test will be most helpful for all upcoming agri-competitive exams. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. Question number 1. Learning through what you do is dash percentage. The options are 30%, 50%, 70% or 90%. The correct answer is option D, 90%. So learning through what you do is 90%, whereas learning through what you see is 30%. Learning through what you see and hear is 50%, and learning through what you say and write is 70%. Question number 2. Dash is also known as Average District Plan. The options are Etawah Pilot Project, IADP, T&V Program or IRDP. The correct answer is option A, Etawah Pilot Project. So Etawah Pilot Project is also known as Average District Plan, whereas Intensive Agriculture District Program, IADP, is the package program, and T&V Program is also known as Baster and Benin scheme. Question number 3. Which of these cannot be classified as mass contact method of extension teaching? The options are leaflets, bulletin boards, frontline demonstrations or film shows. The correct answer is option C, frontline demonstrations. So frontline demonstrations cannot be classified as mass contact method of extension teaching. It is basically a group contact method, whereas others, the leaflets, bulletin boards and film shows, are classified as mass contact method of extension teaching. Question number 4. Which agriculture university got sanction of first KVK? The options are TNAU Coimbatore, APAU Hyderabad, KAU Thrissur or UAS Bangalore. The correct answer is option A, TNAU Coimbatore. So TNAU Coimbatore is the first agriculture university which got sanction of first KVK, whereas the first KVK was started at Pondicherry in 1974 under the administrative control of TNAU Coimbatore. Question number 5. Intensive Agriculture District Program, IADP, was started in the year dash. The options are 1964, 1965, 1960-61 or 1980. The correct answer is option C, 1960-61. So Intensive Agriculture District Program was started in the year 1960-61, whereas Intensive Agriculture Area Program, IAAP, was started in the year 1964. The National Demonstration Project was started in the year 1965, and Integrated Rural Development Program, IRDP, was started in the year 1980. Question number 6. Circular letter is a dash method of contact. The options are individual contact method, group contact method, mass or community contact method, or none of the above. The correct answer is option C, mass or community contact method. So circular letter is a mass or community contact method. So circular letter is a letter that is used to send the same information to many people at the same time. Question number 7. ATMA was introduced in 2005 to 2006 to address the constraints of. The options are IADP, KVK, T&V project or HYVP. The correct answer is option C, T&V project. So the Agricultural Technology Management Agency was introduced in 2005 to 2006 to address the constraints of T&V project. Question number 8. Frontline demonstrations are laid out of show. The options are method of technology, production potential of technology, refinement in technology, or none of the above. The correct answer is option B, production potential of technology. So frontline demonstrations are laid out to show production potential of the technology. Frontline demonstrations are also called national demonstrations, which are conducted by researchers on farmers' field. Question number 9. Which one of the following is a traditional medium of communication? The options are television, radio, puppet show, or demonstrations. The correct answer is option C, puppet show. So, puppet show among the following is a traditional medium of communication. Question number 10. Training and Visit Program, also known as Baxter and Benner Scheme, was introduced in India in the year dash. The options are 1970, 1972, 1974 or 1968. The correct answer is option C, 1974. So Training and Visit Program was introduced in India in the year 1974. Training and Visit Program was introduced in India in the year 1974 in Rajasthan. Daniel Benner is known as father of T&V program. Question number 11. An important characteristic of an innovation is its dash. The options are usefulness, easiness, relative advantage or attraction. The correct answer is option C, relative advantage. So an important characteristic of an innovation is its relative advantage. Question number 12. Social change is always dash. The options are planned, unplanned, planned or unplanned, or none of the above. The correct answer is option C, planned or unplanned. So social change is always planned or unplanned. Social change takes place sometimes with planning and sometimes without planning. Social change which occurs in the natural course is called the unplanned change. Question number 12. National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management (MANAGE) is located in dash. The options are Jaipur, New Delhi, Hyderabad or Chennai. The correct answer is option C, Hyderabad. So National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management is located in Hyderabad. Question number 14. Village is the basic unit of dash. The options are society, civilization, rural society or both A and B. The correct answer is option C, rural society. So village is the basic unit of rural society, whereas family is the basic unit of both society and civilization. Question number 15. The age of persons ranging from dash known as youth. The options are 18 to 25, 18 to 30, 18 to 35 or 21 to 35. The correct answer is option C, 18 to 35. So the age of person ranging from 18 to 35 are known as youth. Question number 16. Which one of these can be used in extension work? The options are traditional farmer, progressive farmer, autocratic leader or school children. The correct answer is option B, progressive farmer. So progressive farmers can be used in extension work. Moving on to the next question. The element that distinguishes diffusion from communication is dash. The options are receiver, channel, innovation or time. The correct answer is option C, innovation. So the element that distinguishes diffusion from communication is innovation. Diffusion is the process by which an innovation is communicated through certain channels over time among the members of a social system. It is a special type of communication in that the messages are concerned with new ideas, while communication is a process in which participants create and share information with one another in order to reach a mutual understanding. Question number 18. Mr. Daniel Benner was instrumental in introducing the new innovation of extension work known as dash. The options are farmer training centers, seed village scheme, training and visit system or lab to land program. The correct answer is option C, training and visit system. So Mr. Daniel Benner was instrumental in introducing the new innovation of extension work known as training and visit system. Question number 19. Under the leadership of Albert Mayer, the Etawah pilot project was launched in October 1948. Pilot means dash. The options are doing something at preliminary level, doing something in particular area, pre-final version of main project, or none of the above. The correct answer is option B, doing something in particular area. So under the leadership of Albert Mayer, the Etawah pilot project was launched in October 1948. Pilot here means doing something in particular area. Question number 20. The systematic program of training of village extension workers combined with the frequent visits to farmers' field is the basic approach of the following extension technique. The options are community development, national demonstration, lab to land program or training and visit system. The correct answer is option D, training and visit system. So the systematic program of training of village extension workers combined with the frequent visits to farmers' field is the basic approach of the training and visit system. Question number 21. What is the full form of CAPART? The options are Council for Agricultural Production and Agricultural Research Technology, Council for Advancement of People's Action and Rural Technology, Center for Advancement in Public Administration and Research Technology, or Center for Advancement of People's Action and Rural Technology. The correct answer is option B, Council for Advancement of People's Action and Rural Technology. So, Council for Advancement of People's Action and Rural Technology was launched in 1986. It is an autonomous body registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860. It is chaired by the Union Minister for Rural Development. Question number 22. An agricultural innovator is generally viewed as a dash. The options are opinion leader, social deviant, skeptical, or traditional. The correct answer is option B, social deviant. So an agricultural innovator is generally viewed as a social deviant. Question number 23. Farmers who are the first to try new ideas are dash. The options are early adopters, innovators, laggards, or none of the above. The correct answer is option B, innovators. So farmers who are the first to try new ideas are innovators. Question number 24. Which one of the following is a training institute? The options are ATMA, KVK, ATIC, or both A and B. The correct answer is option B, KVK. So KVK among the following is a training institute. Question number 25. The first agricultural university in India was established in dash. The options are 1960, 1965, 1968, or 1974. The correct answer is option A, 1960. So the first agricultural university in India was established in the year 1960 in Pantnagar. Question number 26. An extension worker is the example of dash. The options are lay leader, professional leader, ornamental leader, or none of the above. The correct answer is option B, professional leader. So an extension worker is the example of professional leader. Question number 27. Which is the need-based and skill-oriented vocational training institute of ICAR? The options are IARI, KVK, ATMA, or NAHEP. The correct answer is option B, KVK. So, KVK is the need-based and skill-oriented vocational training institute of ICAR. Question number 28. A group of people organized for a particular purpose is called dash. The options are community, institution, association, or society. The correct answer is option C, association. So a group of people organized for a particular purpose is called association. Question number 29. Dash is not the element of extension teaching learner process. The options are teacher, subject matter, time, or learner. The correct answer is option C, time. So time is not the element of extension teaching learner process. So the elements of teaching learning situations are instructor or teacher, subject matter, physical facilities, and teaching equipments along with the learner. Question number 30. Dash is also known as single window delivery system. The options are ATIC, KVK, NAIP, or ATMA. The correct answer is option A, ATIC. So ATIC, Agricultural Technology Information Center, is also known as single window delivery system. The Agricultural Technology Information Center is a single window support system linking the various units of a research institution with intermediary users and end users, farmers, in decision making and problem solving exercise. Question number 31. The relatively non-mobile transfer of technology program of Indian Council of Agriculture Research is dash. The options are KVK, WLVs, LLP, or AICPND. The correct answer is option A, KVK. So the relatively non-mobile transfer of technology program of Indian Council of Agricultural Research is KVK. Question number 32. The concept of village guide was given by, the options are Rabindranath Tagore, Albert Mayer, S.K. Dey, or F.L. Brain. The correct answer is option D, F.L. Brain. So the concept of village guide was given by F.L. Brain, whereas village level worker was given by Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 33. These are the elements of diffusion except dash. The options are innovation, adoption, time or social system. The correct answer is option B, adoption. So these are the elements of diffusion except adoption. The elements of diffusion are innovation, communication, time and social system. Question number 34. The Indian type of family is characterized by matrilineal, consanguineous, polyandrous or conjugal. The correct answer is option B, consanguineous. So the Indian type of family is characterized by consanguineous. Consanguinity describes a relationship between two people who share an ancestor or share blood. Question number 35. Television broadcast for rural development in India started in dash. The options are 1947, 1957, 1967 or 1977. The correct answer is option D, 1977. So television broadcast for rural development in India was started in the year 1977. Question number 36. According to nature of the personnel involved, channels of communication are characterized as dash. The options are personal localite, personal cosmopolite, impersonal cosmopolite or all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. So according to nature of the personnel involved, channels of communication are characterized as all the three, which is personal localite, personal cosmopolite, impersonal cosmopolite. Question number 37. The effective extension method to inform farmers about a particular recommended practice for a specific area is dash. The options are television, radio, demonstration or pamphlets. The correct answer is option C, demonstration. So the effective extension method to inform farmers about a particular recommended practice for a specific area is demonstration. Question number 38. Which of the following is known as picture drama? The options are planned graph, flashcards, poster or puppet. The correct answer is option A, planned graph. So planned graph among the following is known as picture drama. Question number 39. Principle of learning by doing involves use of dash. The options are maximum number of senses, seeing and hearing, seeing, tasting, touching. The correct answer is option A, maximum number of senses. So principle of learning by doing involves use of maximum number of senses. Question number 40. Extension work in Japan was first started by. The options are government, NGOs, cooperatives or farmers organization. The correct answer is option D, farmers organization. So extension work in Japan was first started by farmers organization. Question number 41. Which one of the following techniques is used to generate innovative and creative ideas? The options are general meeting, brainstorming, seminar or buzz session. The correct answer is option B, brainstorming. So brainstorming among the following is the technique which is used to generate innovative and creative ideas. Question number 42. Which one of the following leaders does not want to compromise in any way with their principles? The options are political, diplomatic, agitators or reformers. The correct answer is option D, reformers. So reformers among the following are the leaders which does not want to compromise in any way with their principles. Question number 43. In which of the following projectors the loss of light is maximum? The options are opaque projector, slide projector, film projector or overhead projector. The correct answer is option A, opaque projector. So in opaque projector the loss of light is maximum. Question number 44. Teleconferencing was started in dash. The options are 1940s, 1950s, 1960s or 1970s. The correct answer is option C, 1960s. So teleconferencing was started in 1960s. Question number 45. In case of social stratification, the determinants of status are. The options are wealth, ancestry, functional utility of the individual or religion and biological characters. The correct answer is option A, wealth. So in case of social stratification, the determinants of status are wealth. Question number 46. The ideal size of a flashcard to be used in the group of 30 farmers should be of dash. The options are 5 to 8 inches, 10 to 12 inches, 12 to 15 inches, or more than 15 inches? The correct answer is option B, 10 to 12 inches. So the ideal size of a flashcard to be used in the group of 30 farmers should be of 10 to 12 inches. Question number 47. To increase the milk production of buffalo within month is the example of dash. The options are objective, aim, goal, or target. The correct answer is option C, goal. So to increase the milk production of buffalo within month is the example of goal. Question number 48. Which of the following is the most suitable extension teaching method for the problem of rat control in the rural village? The options are camping, group discussion, group meeting, or radio talk. The correct answer is option A, camping. So, camping among the following is the most suitable extension teaching method for the problem of rat control in the rural village. Question number 49. Internet was started in dash. The options are 1950s, 1960s, 1970s, or 1940s. The correct answer is option B, 1960s. So internet was started in 1960s. The last question is, Directorate of Adult Education of National Literacy Mission, India is located at dash. The options are Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, or New Delhi. The correct answer is option D, New Delhi. So, Directorate of Adult Education of National Literacy Mission, India is located at New Delhi. That was all. Thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.